Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. We welcome to Online Teaching Academy Ekalaiva. Children, this is class 5, subject EVS, lesson Let's Be Clean and Healthy, part 2. Children, last class we have discussed about keeping our surroundings clean and types of diseases. Now, we are going to learn about common human diseases and how to stay healthy. Before entering the lesson, I would like to ask some questions. Do you know, children, which is the deadliest insect in the world? That is responsible for millions of deaths. It is the all-powerful, all-impressive. The mosquitoes. Yes, they are responsible for the various diseases like dengue, malaria and chikungunya. Children, what are mosquito bites? Mosquito bites are small, raised pumps on the skin that come from a female mosquito feeding on human blood. Why do mosquitoes bite? Mosquitoes bite to suck blood for reproduction. Children, where are mosquitoes found? Mosquitoes are often found near water. They lay their eggs in shallow, stagnant water. The eggs are usually found in marshes, ponds, lakes, the inside of tires and other containers. Now, we are going to see about the diseases like malaria, dengue and chikungunya that are spread by mosquitoes. Malaria is a life-threatening disease caused by parasites that are transmitted to people through the bites of infected female Anopheles mosquitoes. It is preventable and curable. How is malaria transmitted to a healthy person? Malaria spreads when a mosquito becomes infected with the disease after biting an infected person, and the infected mosquito then bites a non-infected person. The malaria parasites enter that person's bloodstream and travel to the liver. When the parasites mature, they leave the liver and infect red blood cells. Malaria. A patient suffers from low to high grade fever, body aches, shivering and loss of appetite. Dengue. Dengue is a viral infection spread by the bite of the Aedes mosquito. It is not communicable. It does not spread directly from person to person. Symptoms of dengue are headache, severe joint pain, nausea and high fever. Chikungunya. It is a viral disease transmitted to humans by infected mosquitoes. It causes fever and severe joint pain. Other symptoms include muscle pain, headache, nausea and rashes. Prevention of mosquito-borne disease. Maintain fly screens on windows, doors, vents and chimneys. Clean up your yard and remove anything where water can collect, such as unused pots and tires. Clean rainwater accumulated on the rooftops. remove stagnant water around the house so mosquitoes cannot breed. Try to wear full sleeve shirt and full pants when you are outside. Spray insecticides inside and around the house. Insecticides are substances used to kill insects. Use mosquito repellent cream to apply on our skin to prevent from mosquito bites. Diseases spread by houseflies. The housefly is an insect with 6 legs, 2 wings and large compound eyes. They live in dense areas and breed in feces and garbage. Houseflies carry a lot of diseases, estimated of 100 different kinds. They sit on filth, feces, garbage, waste, and they pick up bacterial, helminthic and protozoan infections. They carry pathogens when they land on food. They contaminate food through physical contact. Here are some diseases transmitted by houseflies: cholera, and amoebic dysentery. So be good to your body. Skip the fly, vomit and disease. How to stay healthy, children? Shampooing 2 or 3 times a week will help keep your scalp healthy. Keep nails short and trim them often. Scrub the underside of nails with soap and water. Maintain a good dental hygiene. Brush your teeth twice a day properly. Wash your hands often, especially before and after having food. You must clean your hands. Ensure that you get at least 8 hours of sleep per night. Would be very helpful. Vaccines will help keep you healthy. Food poisoning comes from eating foods that contain germs like bad bacteria or toxins. Follow a habit of exercising and some sports activities such as jogging, running, dancing, cycling, swimming, etc. that can boost immune system. Okay children, I hope you all enjoy this session. Thank you.